Hi, it's Dhaval Patel with Rovi Homes. We're here at 34 Everett Ave, number 2. Let's go ahead and take a quick peek inside. Just over 1,000 square feet, this home features 2 bedrooms and a bath. There's an amazing backyard with plenty of space for entertaining. The location is impeccable, half a mile from Assembly Row, 1.5 miles to Harvard, and a couple of miles away from Encore Casino. This is perfect as a primary residence or an investment property. Best of all, there's an unfinished attic space, perfect for another bedroom or an office. That concludes our tour of 34 Everett Ave, number 2. I really appreciate you joining us. We at Rovi Homes are the #1 team in Massachusetts, and I look forward to helping you with all of your real estate needs. My number is below. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and I look forward to seeing you at the open house. Thank you.